Hello everybody and welcome to FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a line and circle using FreeBASIC. So our goal for today is to make a circle and square output. First you need to type screen res, then inside the bracket type the horizontal size of your screen like 600, then comma, and then insert also the vertical size of your screen output by 600 also. Then press enter. We need to declare a variable named circle x and circle y by typing dim as integer circle x and circle y. Press enter. We need to put a value of the circle x and circle y by 300 by typing circle x is equal to 300, then circle y is also equals to 300, then type circle, then between the brackets type the circle x, comma, and circle y. Also take note that the circle x is for horizontal or of your screen and the circle y is for the vertical screen. So you must enter first the x-axis before the y-axis inside the bracket of the square of our circle. Then after you type the x and y inside the bracket, type the radius of your circle, of how big or small circle you want to create. So I put my radius into 30 by typing comma, then insert 30. And then next is what color do you want to put in the circle. This is the list of the color code numbers for coloring your object in FreeBASIC. So I choose to put number 14 for color yellow in my circle. So by typing 14 next to the 30 and type sleep at the bottom of the codes. So let's try to run the program and see what happens. So as you can see in the output, we draw a circle at the center of the program. The screen res is 600 by 600. I put 300 by 300 for the value of my circle to make the circle center position of the program. If you want to fill your circle, just go back to the code and beside 14 just type the comma 4 times and type F for filling the circle. And let's run the program again. So then the circle is filled with yellow. If I want to make a square, then we just change the code from circle to line. Line means we can draw also a straight line or a box between 2 points. So after the brackets, just type minus sign and then create another bracket. Then type circle x plus 50, then comma, and then type circle y plus 50. We add 50 from both x and y because we want to create 4 corners of the line, and then erase the radius because we don't need it for now, and then erase also 3 commas before the fill, and then change the F into BF means for box fill. And let's run the program again. So the output shows that we created a box and filled it with yellow also. So that's how we create a shape in FreeBASIC. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot in this video. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.